Hi guys! Today we are learning how to recover a deleted video from InShot. First, unlock your phone and open the InShot app. Now check the draft section inside InShot. Sometimes when a project is not fully exported or saved, it remains available in drafts automatically. If you find your video there, simply open it and export or save it again to your gallery. If your video is not available in drafts, go back and open your phone gallery. InShot usually saves exported videos directly to the gallery after editing, so carefully check your albums and recent videos section. Now go to Albums or Collections and look for the recently deleted folder. Open it and unlock it using Face ID, fingerprint, PIN, or password if required. Sometimes deleted videos stay here temporarily before being removed permanently. If you find your deleted InShot video here, select it and tap Recover at the bottom of the screen. This will restore the video back to your gallery automatically. After that, you'll be able to open and use it normally again. If the video is not available in drafts or recently deleted, then unfortunately, it may not be recoverable. Once a file is permanently deleted from the system, it is usually removed completely. So it's always better to back up important videos to cloud storage or another device. And that's how you can try to recover a deleted InShot video step by step. Most of the time, drafts or the recently deleted folder can help you restore your video easily. If this helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment for more simple and useful tutorials.